Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my place. I say Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy with Cheryl, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Okay, timeless. Timeless reading, okay. I saw keys, Keys, keys of piano. Of course, that's what I saw. Keys will be played. That's a soft music I'm hearing. Okay, so keys will be played. There's going to be some movement, there's going to be some expression, there's something that you might be feeling light about. You may be learning piano, you may be piano. Okay, please ignore the sounds, I'm going to be a little loud. Okay. There are some vendors out there stretching their horizons to sell their stuff and everything. Of course, everyone has the right, but all I can do is I will be loud enough. Okay, so the message over here for Aquarius is that this is something that will be played. You're going to experience something soft talk, warmth, some expression from some side, your expression towards them or towards something in your life. You may actually be playing piano. Some of you love piano music. You have sun. Something will be played. There's beginning. There's new growth. There may be a good morning message from someone. Okay, unexpected, or they're doing it and you're feeling good. Okay, they're doing it and you are feeling good. That's like something that you won't expect, but what they're thinking you don't know. Okay, what is behind the lines or behind the curtain kind of energy, but with the sun there is beautiful beginning of your day. Okay, that's something fresh, that's something I'm ready. There's something that sun is going to look different. Okay, sun is going to give you more warmth. That's what I saw. Okay. Interesting. You may end up talking with the one, whoever this one is. Okay, you may end up talking with someone you don't know why you people are involved, why you people are getting involved, why you are if stuck, why you are there in each other's life kind of energy. Okay, Two of Cups energy is also something that you have you have possible nervousness, or maybe this person is having, or maybe this is something that shouldn't I kind of energy. Now for many of you this may be something someone new. Okay, why I'm saying that, because I have this energy of like something new beginning, new life, new stretch, new idea that's getting birth here. Okay, you may meet someone who is of your same tone, same vibe, someone who does like music like you, for example. Okay, and you people both enjoy that, you people like talking to one another. That kind of energy. Also, this may be union or reunion of some sort, and maybe this they're also telling me, maybe while you're on the streets, I don't know, you bump sometimes in your love while you're on the street. Not that energy is weird. Maybe in some store, maybe piano is there, maybe something is around, maybe there is something event possible, I don't know, but that kind of energy when you end up meeting your new idea or someone. And this may not happen with everyone, or not happen today, possible, I don't know, but this energy is all about someone who is stuck with you, or they're thinking about you. For many of you, they may end up talking. You people are figuring out what it is exactly. With the sun, though, it's a good day. You're going to, mostly your energy is going to be really light, just like the sun. And with the sun, you're really positive about something as well. Okay, really positive. You people are going to be more energized and feel fresh as an individual. Like-minded energies. Can you give us the energy? There's going to be conversation, talk. You may end up having on telephone, phone. That's what. You may end up talking. That's going to be fast. from possible Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and this is just Aquarius energy. So this is all about someone is going to be in rush, so this may be even short talk. Short, okay. Yeah, Ace of Swords with Queen of Cups. Okay, initiation, breakthrough. This is going to be fast, this is going to be quick, or this is going to be just what they exactly want to say, but they're not going to say something like mix and match. They're going to say boom. Like, for example, if this is a pearl, this is a pearl. It's not something that I'm going to take it out and wrap it up. There's a pearl. Hey, that's a pearl. Thrown. And you are like, oh my god, I like opening up the package. But you got the pearl. This may be from someone. The expression, possible. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This Two of Swords energy, the cross that you might be feeling, or someone who is feeling, okay? Your life is like the sun here, that's for sure. Someone is at cross with their feelings, or someone is at cross at how to decode this whatever is happening, okay? Regarding you, possible, or regarding your situation or life. This may be the keys will be played, means someone is holding you, and if it's a piano, different thing. If it is something connected with the phone and you do have keys on that, someone is typing message or something like that. And it's like in the meantime, with pauses or with breaks or with intervals, you're going to talk with the person. Many of you are figuring out what is happening actually. Not wanting to exactly see, but you don't know what is happening. Okay, with Eight of Pentacles energy, busy schedule. You people are busy. Or you might be involved or talking to someone who is really busy. And I'm having hiccups, okay? Someone is working really hard here if this is about this person, but in the meantime, they're also thinking about what went wrong or what happened. You might be in someone's thought. I'm sorry. What's this? There's water. I just drank water and then there's water on my cards. Please. Oh, wow. Interesting. Interesting message though. They all speak in different languages, right? So they might be giving you that signal of they're all right, but they're cold now, okay? I feel like with this water energy, something is going to get more emotional, okay? You also have the bottom energy as faithfulness. There is someone who's looking at you. Page of Pentacles, taking hold before they proceed. I also see confirmation of some sort, possible some sort. I'm sorry, confirmation of something. Okay, this may be work related. This may be something that you are not approving, or you are in denial, or you are at cross, or you haven't clarified something to someone till date. That's a even self clarification. Possibly you're clarifying to yourself here with the Two of Swords energy. You are making your mind. King of Swords. Let's see. I see like recently there's something started. Recently something started here. You're liking it actually. You're liking it, and you don't know. Sometimes they don't behave, or possible the reciprocation might not be that, but it is not that they don't want to talk. I feel the kind of energy is Eight of Pentacles, okay? It's just not about you, it is about this person as well. If someone has question of like, are they serious or sincere? Yes, they are. I mean, someone entered in your life that created a new sun, new life, new something, okay? Page of Wands energy. I'm hearing there may be a new chapter in your life right now. New chapter, new moment, new something. Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe, but this is you. um, you're about to get busy. Okay, now I can give you the time frame of 8 days or so whenever you listen, and in the coming 8 days or so there's going to be busy time. Okay, busy time. You're going to be having some schedules or something shifts happening here. And I see your dedication. I also see something that you are about to complete or wind up, whatever that is. You have bottom energy, 6 of cups energy. It's a thing, the desire, the idea, the person, the growth, the thing that you wanted the most is coming in reality. It's also resurgence, okay? And to be honest, many of you have been in contact, coming like on and off, but you recently came in contact with the one. There is this page of wands energy also. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I see this may be a combo of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, out of water, and Sun, Leo. I feel like there's also someone you are talking. And maybe this is just in the starting phase, but you love the message. You love the talk. 6 of Cups energy is someone you came in contact. Possible you contacted this person after an year or so. Straight year. Okay, maybe you ended up talking, contacting this person. We're going to see what's in the future. There's going to be change in your situation or the status of your connection with the person. But we're going to see what's deep in the future. Aquarius, deep in the future. I heard the word no more. Something is going to be in the zone of like no more. Like I feel like if this is something new and you are at cross with 2 of swords, it is about clarification with self in order to begin with something new. So something is no more, like you don't want it, no more. You feel no more, but something is in the future that is going to start. With 9 of Wands energy, maybe this is about trust issues. You don't trust the energy totally, whoever this is, or maybe this is the energy of not giving up because you're a fighter. Fighter for something, okay? Can you give us what's on 9 of Wands? There is Ace of Swords. You're going to end up talking. You're going to end up talking. As I said, and you have 8 of Wands energy. Something is building up here. Whatever that is connected with your life. Especially conversation is coming through. You're talking with someone you possibly don't trust totally. But you're talking. You're having a move with someone. It started slow, possible. It's going to be more passionate talks and all that stuff here coming. And how you want to put that passionate, you just choose. Let's see more. Once upon a time, the situation was different, but now it's going to be totally different. I think like that's the calling of 2 of Pentacles. I feel no more undecisive zone, no more juggle, no more things like that. It's like you're going to be more decisive about where you want. That's why I said that you're going to be deciding on something. This may be starting with the moon, piano. I said piano, wow, because we started the reading with the piano, okay? Someone who does play piano, someone who does have the same note, same vibe, same music, they do love that, okay? Piano connects you, both possible, okay? The rhythm, but with this is Piscean, okay? It just came through, interesting. The moon phase, Taur, unexpected changes with this person. In the emotional situation as well. Something that you never expect is going to happen here. I also feel something that you're going to decide. Not this and this. So there's no confusion, I feel. Upcoming event. I also see like there's something dual about and you're going to know about. And it's also a lot of talk. Possible in the midnight kind of energy or the night, whenever the time fits you. You're going to end up talking. And I also see the energy of a wolf a lot. So sniff is coming definitely. Sniff is coming. Will they be your lover? The question arises. Will they be your lover? Because there is presence. Will they be your lover? There's a new love scenario, or the lover who you thought no will end up being your lover. There's interest matter, definitely. What you end up doing, sometimes we skip the the thing, the person. We don't know because we don't realize, because we never saw that as. So you have approach. The devil. I heard damn attraction. First of all, there may be Capricorn, there may be something will they be? Are they? Is connected with all this, the devil. What's wrong, what's right? Okay? Devil is bounce as well. But it is also pattern. Something is full of illusion here. I can't deny that. Okay? Something is. Because that's why your energy is at cross. I mean, you are talking, you're feeling good, but then it's with pauses, something. Okay? Why there is devil? Maybe because of this attraction. I mean, this is not a bond, but this is some kind of pull. To be honest, there is pull. There's pull towards this person, or the pull that this person is having towards you, however this fits you. That's why something is not sure. I can say that you are sure, but you are talking. This may be for some cases true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So for some of you, this is new. As I said, breaking free kind of energy when you are about to make decision here, and there's a piano. Maybe this new music is new lover, new person, stirring up. Now this new lover may be from past, way past, years back, or maybe the new one. Something that you feel pulled towards. Not every time devil is bad. Because the devil card is there, then there's something is wrong. No, it's also intuitive what they say. There is damn attraction towards someone who might not be as per the fixations and the policies or the principles of some criteria. Let's just say they don't possible fix in certain criteria because they're free. They may not be doing the exact work your expectations are, but this lover is going to be different. This person, whoever you are connecting, is different. That's what I see. So some of you are stuck with the thought of like, no, this should be like this, or you may be stuck with someone X or kind of. Then this time has come, the time has come to clear your energy. Release your ex. This is something different. Like, you may not expect the exact type. I told you the criteria. Free yourself is coming. Some thoughts that you're going to release. Engagement. So there's attraction, there's passion, definitely on each side. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy, but also engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Now, some of you are going to get in this zone after some time. Some of you are getting involved with the person. Someone who likes you may be the gentleman for you. Who is gentleman? Gentleman is one who is gentle towards you, of course, and might not fix on that criteria for different energies. We are all bad in someone's story. I may be good in yours, may not be in someone else's. Someone is bad in my story, but may not be in someone else's. That's what I feel. So, this person may not be right for others, but for you, someone who can fight for you, someone who can take stand for you. I think feature is all eyes. They may show teeth to someone, like a vampire, for example. But to you, they are, right? So this lover is quite subtle and soft towards you. That's why I said something is soft. Take care, guys. And again, this person is playing. So piano or not, this is not piano, but someone is playing music, right? Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.